Number 20, put the equation in slope-intercept form. Remember, that means we want to get it to y equals something x plus something. Now, the way we say that is mx plus b, b being the y-intercept, m being the slope. So basically, you got to get y by itself. So we need to move 3x over. The only way to move things over across the equal sign is by subtracting them or adding them. Nothing else. So we're going to move it over by subtract 3x. That moves them over. I get y equals negative 3x plus 12. Have a y-intercept of 12, slope of negative 3. That was easy enough. Let's see. This one will be a little more challenging. We need, again, as always, get the x over to the other side. So we subtract 4x. Gives me negative 2y equals negative 4x because I want the x piece first always. And then the number back there, plus 14. At this step, we don't have y by itself. It's being multiplied by negative 2. So we need to divide by negative 2 to get rid of it. But if you did that to the left, you got to do it to the right. And you got to do it to each of the pieces on the right because we have to divide that whole side by negative 2. So y equals negative divided by negative, positive 2x minus 7. There you go. Slope of 2, y-intercept of negative 7. Could graph that a lot easier than we could the 4x minus 2y equals 14. All right, we need to move the x over, so subtract x. 1/3 y equals a negative x, or opposite of x, plus 2. How do we get rid of a fraction? You could divide by a third, but it's easier to multiply by the reciprocal. So since you multiplied the left by 3, you must multiply the right by 3. That gives me y equals negative 3x plus 6. All right, again, must move that over. Subtract 2x, subtract 2x. 2/7, ugly fraction. 2/7 y equals negative 2x plus 4. Now what I need to do, I need to get rid of this. So I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal, which means I multiply this entire side by that reciprocal of 7/2. On the right, we get, everybody crosses out. You have 14/14, which is 1y equals. Now we need to do this. We might come to the side. 7/2 times the negative 2/1. That's negative 14. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 7. I need to do it again. 7/2 times a 4/1. So I get 28/2, which is 14. Wasn't that difficult? Let's look at 24. All right, we need to move the 4th x over. So we're going to subtract 1/4 x. It's like a quarter, a fourth. So I have negative 2y equals negative 1/4 x plus 8. So now I got to get rid of this. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. I get y equals, come back to that, 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. Now we have to do 1/4 negative 1/4 divided by negative 2. Now remember, that's as a fraction, that's over 1. So we're doing this division. Well, we remember that we change the division to multiplication and flip the bottom. And again, it's a negative fraction divided by a negative fraction, so you're going to get a positive answer here, 1/8. So we have 1/8 x. So we know the y-intercept's negative 4, and then it goes up 1/8, up 1/8, slope of 1/8.